Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping very hard. Everything coming down to my order activations. The Ethereum trade was close to liquidating. Lucky I added enough margin. I added more now to be safer. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We're going to jump into the charts. I bought more Bitcoin and Ethereum on this drop. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. And you can see Bitcoin, just everything, the whole market again down today, 13% Goat, Doge 11%, Uni 12%. Doge looking quite good for buyers, Uni, but I'm going to focus on my Bitcoin and Ethereum trades right now. Bitcoin dropped to a low, and look, it's dropped out of this rising wedge. On the daily, clear rising wedge here was forming. If we measure out the base of the wedge, it's not so beautiful actually. This rising wedge could take us actually to 88, which would be very brutal. So make sure, but we have a very strong support, I would say here, 90K, which was where we wicked down. Remember when we had that big liquidation spike like 10 days ago? Let's go into the 4 hourly. In the 4 hourly, we broke down of this rising wedge. 90K is a clear target. But I did add more here. Another very strong support where you could expect a bounce is 94. And we came close. We came down to 95,600. And if you remember a few days, yesterday, I posted about this. My target, you can see he closed my Bitcoin trade in slight profit and set an order. I was worried that it's going to drop. My Bitcoin trade was at 104.2K. And I was worried, and I set it at 98,789. And we've spiked down to 90. We came even lower, 95. But this is a clear rising wedge break. If we don't get back above that trend line, it's not going to be very nice for Bitcoin, to be honest. But I would try, 94 is also a very strong support. So I would take a long from 94, but the safest would be to take it from 90K and then taking it back to all-time high. Risk to reward 12 times, risking 1,400 to make 17,800. I would open at 94, stop loss 92,200, risking 1,400 to make 17,800. With 10x leverage, it would be 170. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. But again, safest trade would be to take it from the 90K and then taking it back. I don't think the bull market's ended, to be honest, but it would be better to be safe here. Same with Ethereum, and I've added more to my trades, you can see here. But I took a big hit this from yesterday, 1128, this week from 1227 down to 1076. So it's about a 150K drop. You can see here today, my Ethereum trades and Bitcoin trades quite low, but you can see I've actually added more here. So this is when I sold, when I warned everyone, and then it dropped. Lucky I sold there, because even when I bought it at 100, it still dropped further. So if it was at 100, if I had kept that trade, it would have been a huge drop. So drop from there, I added more here, and I added more just now at the bottom on that dip. And you can see this active trade now. Same with Ethereum. Sold here, lucky I sold there at 3,800, then it dropped, bought at 3,500 a little bit early, then it dropped further 3,300, and I added more. So these are the two active, and now they're quite big. You can see the two trades are quite big now. 500 for Ethereum, and I will add more and more liquidation, lower liquidation, and 710 for Bitcoin. I will add more, and I will keep reducing the, lowering the liquidation prices as we pull back. Because I still, I want to build up the position now. You have to be careful though. I'm building up the position. SEC approves hashtag Bitcoin Ethereum crypto index. Good news. People discussing, waiting on James to make video. Yeah, be cautious here. Also, you can see that the two trades that I had also when I closed, I also set trades for TON, which is came close, $5, but my trade's at $4.50. And Solana at 160. People were laughing at me when I said Solana up here. I said 160. And we came down to 190, but it's quite close. So those are my two active trades now. I'm going to just focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video down below, sign up to Bybit, main exchange for trading, 60K bonus. Weex gives a $200 bonus, and Bitunix now gives 5,500, and it's available worldwide. Those are my trades. I'm going to just leave it at that because it's quite, right now, quite dangerous for Bitcoin. Make sure you set them low onto these strong supports. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I will keep adding lower liquidations, and I will add more margin and more trades as the spikes come down. Like I just added 10 more Ethereum just now and 1 Bitcoin. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Stay safe out there. Make sure your liquidations are low. And ladder in. As you can see, I'm laddering into the trade. I didn't just put massive trades. It's like I'm slowly adding as it pulls back. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.